Good evening, everyone.
It was 11th of July 2014, meeting number 326, when I delivered my project 1 on the competent communication manual. It was indeed a memorable experience for me. I distinctly remember the moments before, during, and after the speech. I was extremely nervous before. Somehow managed to deliver the speech confidently, and after the speech, I received lots of appreciation, praises, and points of improvement from fellow members and guests. I was also lucky enough to have received double standing ovation on that day. I discovered something on that day. I discovered something about myself. And the discovery was that I can speak. I can speak in front of 30 odd people. I can speak with confidence. I can speak with conviction and sincerity. I have delivered 11 speeches and on 16 different occasions to complete my previous 9 speeches. I have experimented a lot, made lots of mistakes, and made sure that I modify my speech and repeat it for my own satisfaction. And all the learnings, all the mistakes that I have done, I have noted in these notebooks. If you can notice the notebooks have become thicker and thicker every time. I've noted down all the meeting numbers that I've attended, the dates on which I attended, the speeches, the roles that I've taken, if I've won any respective award for it, the good usage of grammar, phrases, points of improvement, not just for me, but for others as well, which was valid for me. I've noted down a lot of things. And this is something that I can highly recommend to everyone. Because when I go through these notes, I can understand how far I have come, the mistakes that I have committed, the learnings that I have received here. And as a result, the 4th notebook that I have got is even bigger and thicker. This was my journey as a communicator. As a leader, it all started when Toastmaster Ashok Kumar Gupta offered me the role of people education in a club called City of Joy Toastmaster. We were reviving this club. The meetings were held on Sunday morning. We had a motive, we had a vision, we had a dream to see that the people in this city should be a part of Toastmaster International. People who are busy on weekday evenings should not miss an opportunity to be a part of this beautiful organization. That is the vision that we started with. But it was not easy. It was not at all easy. We had just 7 or 8 members on the roster. The funds of the club were in negative. Some members had to pay the club meetings from their own pocket. We could not find even speakers and role players for the meetings to run smoothly. 10 months fast forward. Right now, the membership that we have, the roster that we have 19 active members. The club meetings are in positive, and the members who had paid from their pockets have been reimbursed without any interest. We will complete 7 out of 10 distinguished club program goals in a couple of weeks and become a select distinguished club. We were running 2 meetings per month. Right now we are having 3, and soon we will have meetings on every Sunday. This is the real growth that we can see in Toastmaster, in City of Joy Toastmaster. And this is something that has happened because of the members, because of the leaders that you can see. This is a picture where the leaders went for the officer training program in IBM 3 months ago. All of them had put a lot of effort and hard work to grow this club. And as this process went on, we grew as leaders as well. The things that I have learned here, as a leader, I will share it in the further slides. My journey in Toastmaster wouldn't have been as fruitful if these 2 people would not have been there. Toastmaster Pallavi Punda, my mentor from Project 1 to Project 5, Toastmaster Arnav Pran from Project 6 to Project 10. I've sent them horrible and horrendous drafts after drafts. They had so much of patience and tolerance to review it and provide me with their invaluable feedback. I cannot thank them enough for teaching me and tolerating me. At the same time, when I met them for practicing, they made me feel like Russian gold. They made me practice for hours and hours. They had this stopwatch in their hand and they used to play, start, pause, stop, start, pause, stop. I used to sweat. They used to still make me practice like Ashwin Gold. Every time I met them, they made me physically exhausted, debilitated, and dehydrated. At the same time, they made me mentally stronger, smarter, and better. And this is something that I can tell you, it's a privilege to be a mentee wherever you go. And I hope to have mentors in Toastmaster as long as I'm in here. They have been my friend Joseph and I, officially. Sometimes I wonder, what if I had not come in contact with this organization for Toastmaster International? I would have certainly missed the opportunity of meeting some amazing people. The members here are so much encouraging, friendly, helpful and supportive. I feel really blessed to be under the same roof with all of you. These are lots of memories that I've shared, lots of friends that I've made in Toastmaster. I hope to make more friends, create more memories to cherish. And I can say this from the bottom of my heart. I just wish if I could be in touch with each and every one of you till my last breath. Thank you for being so much supportive and encouraging. This is a picture where you can see I received the computer leadership certificate from one of the Toastmaster Ashok Kumar Gupta. He's always cool, you can see it. Today I will complete my computer and communication manual. And tomorrow I will deliver a workshop and will complete all the criteria of advanced goals as well. Thus, I will complete 3 education goals in 1 Toastmaster year. I will also receive a triple crown award from the district. It is something happening not by chance. I planned for this way back. And this is something that I need to say, I need to mention. That we in Toastmasters need to understand that the education program that it offers is a self-paced program. It doesn't have a deadline. We need to understand why we are here. We need to understand how fast we need to learn. We need to understand our learning capacity. We need to understand why we are paying renewal fees every 6 months. Why we are attending meetings on every Friday evening. We need to understand and set deadlines for ourselves. And we need to also commit to those deadlines. Only if we can do 3 P's on a regular basis, we can have a much more beautiful experience in Toastmaster. Prepare, practice, and participate. I won't tell you to not come and renew your fees. Only if we can do just these 3 P's, our experience will be more enriching and fulfilling. I have grown here in Toastmaster, not just as a communicator or a leader, but also as a better human being. I've started noticing the good things in people, the good things that they say, the good things that they do. I've started appreciating more, praising more. And when I have to point out the mistakes, sometimes even I forgive it. And even if I have to do it, I do it politely. I try to give constructive feedback to the people I meet. Thus I have become a more likable person as well. In Toastmasters, I have also learned how to evaluate critically, how to see things critically, how to organize the stuff in a much better way. I have really matured here as a person. Life has become much better with Toastmasters. I won't say that I would have been crying all day without Toastmasters, but it has become much better because of it. And I hope to be here and reap the most benefits out of it as much as I can. In the end, I would say this is not the end. This is not a farewell speech. I'm not going anywhere. There are 50 advanced manuals yet to be delivered. More clubs yet to be opened. There are lot more learnings yet to be received. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. I've just started warming up. I'll conclude my speech by reciting few lines from a poem in my version. Toastmaster journey has been beautiful, lovely and deep. But I have promises to keep and smiles to grow. and smiles to go before I sleep.